So we are over here in Plaid, and we are doing, this is the Folkart paint, and these little unicorns have completely captured my attention. And can you tell me a little bit about these? Because they are rocking.
Sure, we think glitter is going to be the hot new trend for this year, and we've developed a brand new glitter paint that has got multiple sizes of glitter particles in it, as well as a special emulsion that keeps the glitter suspended in the bottle. So it looks like this on the shelf. It's going to be really attractive to the consumer, we hope.
Yeah, definitely.
We've done a variety of really bright, fun colors, and it's really heavily loaded, so it coats very, very easily.
And so I'm seeing two different tiles here. What's the difference? Is this because you did it on black and this was on white?
That's exactly right.
Fantastic.
Yes.
I love that. So it does kind of have a different effect. Like this one, it looks almost completely different because it's on two different tones of tile in the background.
Isn't that amazing?
So cool. I love that. I love it. I love it. And I'm guessing you also painted the whole background stand in this glitter.
We did, as well as this wall, as well as this wall over here.
You got to check out the glitter wall over there. That's pretty darn awesome. That took a lot of paint to cover that entire wall. And I appreciate the effort it took to do that, because I know somebody spent a lot of time creating that. And these unicorns, they're just so adorable. I mean, that was a smart idea. I mean, that's really like capturing attention. Okay, so not only do we have some of these glittery paints, but over here I'm seeing this color shift. I know, but they're so cool. You got to talk about them.
Yes, they are. We're our first foray into a totally different style of pigment. These pigments actually come from the automotive industry. And we're the first ones to bring them into the craft industry.
That is awesome.
And as you can see, they create a great effect. They look like a different color.
As you kind of, I'm kind of shifting and I'm shifting.
Yes.
It's catching different rays of light. So cool. It's not the unicorns up there that are doing the color shift. We still got some more of the glitter stuff on them.
That is exactly right.
I thought it would have been, but no.
we might have some. I think we have some base coating done.
There is some base coating on there.
Color shift.
Awesome.
Because as great as both of these two paints are apart, they are fabulous together.
Right, I can see that. Okay, now this is amazing. This thing right here is just, I'm in love with that. That is so cool. It's just, that's rocking. But this is a marbling paint, and look at this design up here. So how does it achieve this particular effect?
You know, marbling has been around for a long time, and it's always kind of messy and complicated. You usually have to have a medium, and you know, you would really not always get the effect that you're going for. So we tried to make a paint that will not mix together very well and doesn't muddy when when you mix different colors together. But it achieves this look without a medium. All you do is pour as many colors as you want to into like a paper cup, and then pour it on top of your surface.
So cool. I love that. I absolutely love that. Cool. So can we go see some of the stuff in action?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hi there. I'm Shauna with PLAID Enterprises, and I'm showing some of our newest product. We have color shift paint, which is beautiful. It shifts slightly in the color.
Right.
And
What
goes so
color
smooth.
is this?
This is blue violet flash.
Cool, and I can see it. Look at
when
that.
you move it slightly.
Oh, there it is.
You get that color change.
You got to catch just right on the camera. Very cool. Now, is this a water-based paint?
This is a water-based paint. Clean up with soap and water. Easy to clean up.
Love it.
It goes on any porous surface. It goes on shiny surfaces. Unfired bisque is glorious. It finishes with that beautiful sheen.
It does. And we're not talking about the glittery part yet. We're going to get to the glitteriness.
We're going to get to the glitter because
it's the base coats right here. And that's pretty almost dry. You didn't put a very heavy coat on though. But yeah, no, that's pretty awesome.
I just brushed it thin.
And we're just doing this on a piece of pine wood.
It is really a wood canvas.
Oh, it's a wood canvas. Oh, okay, shit, I missed that. Look at it's a wooden canvas. That's rocking. I'm loving that. I'm loving that. That's so cool. Okay, so now we can move on to
Glitterific.
The Glitterific, and the name is
Glitterific, and this is Kaleidoscope.
Purple.
Now, if you notice when I move it,
hang on.
It don't move.
Oh wow, it really is a thick. Wow.
It's in a clear base.
Right.
So you put a base color down, it will show through.
That's pretty cool.
And let me show you a second color. We have a gold. See how it comes out of the bottle so thick and
very
luscious?
Thick, yeah. Awesome.
Not my garbage. The fun thing is there's two ways to apply it. If you want just a touch of glitter, just kind of scoop it up with your brush and brush it across. You can see all those different size glitters in there. You've got big flakes and little crystals and all the different colors.
Right.
If you want a thick, gorgeous coat,
Right?
you kind of scoop it up and dab.
And
just
just-
push it out. Your brush will pull the glitter away, so you want to, if you want
Right.
it thick,
You just kind of plop it on and smear it around, but don't smear too much to help it go anywhere. Got it. And then you get a nice thick coat. So that's how you did the unicorns over there.
yeah.
Got it. To get that nice,
So-
nice thick coat.
And if you see the color behind it with two different glitters,
Very
that's
cool.
the gold.
Look at all the different chunks of layers, like sizes, I think is the best way to describe it. Sizes of glitters that are in there.
And when you, since it's in a clear base, the colors come through differently.
Got it. I got it.
Different colors. It's so much fun to play
Right,
with.
so you can put a different base coat on the back. So if we added this particular color with this one, it would look different.
Yeah. Look at all the different choices we've got
Look at
here.
awesome.
It's,
Glitter is my favorite color.
This is
Oh.
a finished piece.
So pretty. So this was the purple base. I know I'm not saying the right numbers, but like colors. But
Yeah.
this is that purple
This is
with
the blue violet color shift underneath it. Then the
Kaleidoscope.
Clear,
no, it was a kaleidoscope.
this is the clear and hologram.
Oh, and you really did a good
Glitterific.
chunky layer. I mean, I can see that it was not the clear brush. This
I
was the
did-
goopy.
Goopy.
But it's not super. Like it's not. It doesn't feel thick. You know, it's kind of dried, a little flat. Which
And
is
it's
kinda
not
cool.
sticky. It traveled. We have been using this clipboard for the entire show.
And is it flaking? It doesn't feel like it's
Nothing's
flaking
coming
off.
off. Nothing
No,
has
it's
come
not
off in
coming
days.
off. Now,
It's all solid.
the glittery stuff, best way to soap and water as well to clean your brushes?
Clean your brushes with soap and water.
Fantastic. I love that. I love that. Well, thank you so much for all the
Thank
amazing and the lovely glitter from Plaid. I appreciate that.
Have a nice day.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.